Mickey Mouses and whatever this is.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine.
There you go.
Wow, right?
How's that feel?
It's so good. It's so good. Finally, I did it. Like, of course, it was one of my fear, but I did it. That's so
Let's
good.
do it again. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. I'll do it again now. Oh my
Look
god.
at that. Here.
It's becoming an addiction.
I know.
It's good.
I'm a snake mom now.
We are getting good at it.
No, she's actually
Oh my
very
God,
super.
How old do you think I am?
31.
30.
Somewhere around 30s.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. 40.
Yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going, I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff.
Last day of your 30s?
I like that this moment is happening.
You're turning 40?
I turn 40 tomorrow.
Oh, congratulations. We're basically the same.
Yeah.
It's just daddy. How often do you get to do this?
Never.
Never? What's it feel like?
Wonderful.
Oh, I'm glad. Yeah, Aphrodite's made herself. She's asserting her dominance. She's like, oh, that's fabulous. You gonna come to daddy? Are you gonna come to daddy? She's thinking about it. She's like playing Frozen. If we don't film it, it didn't happen, right?
Yes.
Is that your first time touching a snake?
I lived among snakes in Nigeria.
Are you talking about guys or like? That was the best. I like no comment. Right? Initially, what did you think I was?
Initially, I thought you were half black, half white. He loves you. She loves you. The way he says she. So snakes are capable of love? Or no?
They're like cats. Are cats capable of love? See, I don't feel like cats
think so.
are really. Like they're affectionate.
Because when I'm
in
sad,
a weird way.
like my friend's cat comes to me.
Fabulous. Have you ever touched a pet snake before?
I touched like a really tiny one on my school trip before.
Nice.
This was like the biggest one.
First time touching a snake? Can I? Yeah, absolutely. this the first time you touched the snake?
Yes,
What did it feel like?
it's kind of exciting.
Nice,
It was
nice.
a one-time experience.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the
Hey, wonderful. You ever done that before? Very nice. Okay, so this is very special because this girl was very afraid of snakes.
Yeah.
And now she's going to hold one and face her fears, and
Yes.
it's going to be fabulous.
I will.
Okay? Very good.
I will.
Mhm.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, it's not
Very
bad.
good, I got it.
Yeah, it's good. You got the face right.
Yeah. Stand up tall.
We're breathing, right? It's just a snake. It's not, it's God made. God will protect me.
There you go. Very
There
good.
you go.
The dear Lord will keep you safe. No. It's not going to
100%.
protect you if you're doing stupid things.
No, we're not doing stupid things. We love you.
There we go.
He's tightening.
She's just holding on to you.
Okay.
I'm fiddling with her.
Okay,
You want to
sweetheart.
go like this? There you go. There, look at that.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Hi guys.
You're a pro.
Look at me. This is Afro. Day.
Frame it in mine too. There you go. Very good.
Aphrodite
it's-
is right here. Isn't she beautiful and calm? She is. Look at that. I can use her like a scarf.
Isn't that cool?
Okay. I think I've faced my fears. Peace out.
Yeah. No. People always say like, "Oh, that's stressful," or "You scare people." It's like,
No.
see, we actually take the fear away from people.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody needs to try on a snake.
Everyone.
Yeah. There you go.
You know, Aphrodite comes back to her daddy.
Yes. But she's holding on to me. I think she likes me.
She's leaving you. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
She's coming to daddy.
She's holding on to me.
But we got a new friend, so
Yes.
that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, now she's
I
stopped.
actually genuinely cannot believe that I did this. Like nobody understands the kind of fear I had. But I'm over it. It's just a snake. It's Afro.
Yeah, she's chill.
I haven't.
This is a stranger. I just met her today, so.
Yeah, come. Let's go closer.
Okay, let's go.
Guys, look at that. Okay, that's her. That's right here.
This is so funny. There's like a lady changing. In the
Yeah.
corner.
Okay.
That's showbiz.
There you go.
You're a star.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we did it.
I think she wants.
There you go. She's holding on to you a bit, but she came back to daddy.
I'm gonna pick up my phone and just show everyone that it's a real snake. Okay, guys? Look.
You want to see her teeth?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Wait, let me show you, because this is actually kind of fun. Well, we'll see. Sophie trusts me totally with this.
Okay.
I don't usually do this with Afro,
Okay.
but look at her teeth. Look how little they are.
Oh, okay. But what if she bites you?
She won't.
I mean, anyone.
Trust me. We're friends.
Like, would they have?
Okay, very good.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
You're scared of snakes?
I'm so scared of snakes.
So scared. And you're scared?
Yeah.
Everyone's scared of snakes.
I want to pet your snake.
What do you want to do?
I want to pet your snake.
Okay, do it. Don't just go.
But does it have venom?
No,
Is it
no.
poison?
No.
There you go. You did it. Amazing. What's
Oh
it
my
feel like?
God. It feels so good.
Then do it more.
Can I hold it?
In a bit.
Can I FaceTime my son with your snake? No. The face is on this side, please.
No, here. Come to this side. She.
Can I please FaceTime my son
Yes,
with your
yes,
snake?
yes.
He loves
Just do
snakes.
this. Do this.
No.
Just do it. She was scared.
What's the name of
Afro.
the snake?
Aphrodite.
Okay.
Remember the name. It's a nice snake.
Yeah, your mama. That's not your mama. We're having so much fun.
He's my best hold your snake?
He gives amazing haircuts.
Really?
Yeah.
No, I still can't.
Your friend's gonna hold it, right?
That's my sister.
Your sister?
Yep.
There's 3 of you.
Yeah, we're all sisters.
Oh,
Guys,
amazing.
what's your name?
Matthew. Woo, she was scared and she faced her fears.
I'm super scared. I want you to decide.
Never mind her. Look over here. Smile, wave. Come on. You guys are terrible.
connect my Type-C or other connect.
USB-C.
Yeah, I have
Do you have a
Type-C.
computer?
Yes.
Okay,
The entire setup is done by me.
Yeah.
Melanie is hired by me.
Okay, I'm invited. Perfect. What?
You got to hide it.
I got invited by the downstairs.
For right now, this man deserves a lot of applause. So everyone, make some noise and welcome Thunder Ali!
My God. I just slipped on the ice.
Oh my goodness.
It happened. Happened. Ah, that hurt.
Oh my god.
Okay. 2025. Woo! Yeah, she's a terrible driver. She tries to kill us every day.
I still get you home safely every time.
Okay, let's get some iced coffee.
I can almost feel you.